An old Hitachi hammer. He says it just needs a set of brushes and a wee bolt at the front. Are you being serious? He's been running it tied up with rope. Look, there's only one bolt holding it. The whole head on. Other three are gone. He's been relying on a piece of rope. Needs a lead too. Oh, I'll tell you, some boys do take a chance. See if she even works here. Yep, fair enough. She still runs. Let's see what we can do with her. Yeah, that handle needs a bit of work. Now, see if we have any of these bolts left. There's no point in doing a service in this thing because I know a lot of the parts are no longer available. So we get a couple of socket heads for this. No O-rings not left, I think. So I'm going to have to chance some new grease just on it. So that keeps her hammering. There's plenty of Loctite on her this time. Hopefully she'll not come apart again. Need to change this lead also. See what I can do with this handle. So the steel plate's attached onto the handle. Steel plate on here. And these wee rubbers sit there to hold the two halves together and they act as dampers or shock absorbers. So the bottom one's fine. I need 4 for up here. I'll change them as well. No, nothing wrong with the brushes. Plenty of meat left in that. Not even halfway worn down. Actually have these wee boys. Rubber dampers. Handle damper. I have 4 of them. But they're not cheap. It's like €8 a piece. Stripped out head. Grabbits. Left hand thread screws. Great for these wee socket heads. Also drill them out as well. Drill the hole so that they grab. There we go. Lifesaver at times. You can always drill them out, but they save so much time. So that's your plate. That attaches to your handle. These guys just sit in between. And that just goes back on. Get your handle tightened up again. It's not solid. It has some play to take the vibrations out of the hammer. That should be her, ready to go hopefully. Now, one last thing. Just put a bit of fresh grease on. So it will have lost some. Use a heavy gear grease as well, just to help whatever seals is left. Give it a wee test. That's her, up and running again. Hammering and beating like she should. The handle's all tightened up, brushes are fine, new lead on it, head bolted back down, new grease on it. If you like it lads, give us a like and a follow.